Hello RV roamers, this is Dominic talking about our kayak that we use for the RV, and just want to talk briefly about it and why I chose it and what I've liked about it, what I don't like about it. So stay tuned, it won't be long, but the reason why I got this kayak, there was a couple things that I liked about it. One, it would fit in our RV, and you've seen that from our other video that it's pretty small RV. This one fits into a bag that is this big, so this is intended to be like a backpack, I guess, for the kayak, and it does work. And it fits in our RV right in front of the bed, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, and you can wear it as a backpack. However, it is pretty heavy. I don't know what the weight is offhand, but I know I wouldn't want to go far with it, maybe 100 yards or two at the most. So that's the downside of that. But good news is it does fit, and I didn't want to have a kayak on top of our roof because I didn't want to deal with the hassle of making sure it was still there all the time. But this kayak I've had only maybe 6 months or so. I used it a couple times, and what I like about it is that, one, it's fairly inexpensive. In fact, I bought it for $175 on Amazon, and maybe at some point I'll have a link for it, but I don't at this point. But $175, and the plastic on here is pretty thick. I've had other kayaks where the rubber, I guess there's probably another name for the material, but the rubber is fairly thick, so it doesn't puncture all that easy. I've had other kayaks in the past that puncture really easy. As soon as you run them up on some rocks, you get a puncture. So far I'm real pleased with that. You might check into the Excursion. It's called the Excursion Pro K2. It's from Intex, and I am going to roll this up and put it back into the backpack. But I don't think you need to see that or care to see that, but in a future video I will show you us out on the lake with it. We had it out on the lake, and I just never put it back in the bag properly because I was in a big fat hurry. So I'm going to roll it back up, flatten it out, get it in the backpack, and get the pumps. There's a couple pumps here and accessories to make it work. So stay tuned, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.